What's up, y'all? It is Wednesday, March 30th, and we are headed into Kroger for our weekly haul. In this week's haul, we are grabbing $56 worth of items for just $7, so let's get to it. First up, y'all, we have Snuggle products that are on promotion this week. When you buy one, you're going to get one free. Something I want to note right off the bat is that this promotion is going to vary by region. And what I mean by that is that some stores are going to say buy one, get one free, and some are going to have each item at 50% off. I've mentioned in previous videos that my store is a true BOGO store, and you can see that here based on the price sticker. So the first Snuggle deal I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 2 of the Snuggle Scent Booster packs priced at $3.79 each. Once I enter my phone number at checkout, $3.79 will be deducted for the sale, and then I'm also going to use a $2 off one paper coupon that we got in the 313 save inserts on the one that we are paying full price for. Once I scan that paper coupon, my total is going to drop down from $3.79 for both down to just $1.79 for both packs. The next Snuggle deal is very similar. You can actually grab any Snuggle product for this deal. They have dryer sheets, they have the liquid fabric softener, they have a couple of different options that you can choose from. I'm going to go ahead and choose the liquid fabric softener as it is a little bit cheaper than the dryer sheets. They are $3.79 each at my store. They are also on promotion. When you buy one, you're going to get one free. So after you enter your number at checkout, one will become completely free. But I'm also going to use a $1.50 off one manufacturer coupon that we got in the 313 save inserts. Once that coupon is applied, my total drops down to $2.29 for both. If you don't have any paper coupons for either of the deals I just shared, what you could do is submit your receipt to coupons.com for $1.25 back on one of the Snuggle products. And you can also use my link down below for coupons.com, the website, and you could print a couple of internet printable coupons for $1.25 off to use in store. This next deal is for those who did not use their $4 off one Chic digital coupon last week. For this deal, you want to grab any one of these Chic Extreme razors that are priced at $6.49. Scan the barcode of the pack of razors that you pick up in the Kroger app to ensure that it attaches to the $4 off one digital coupon. Then go ahead and clip it. After you enter your phone number at checkout, that $4 off digital coupon will apply, leaving you to pay $2.49 out of pocket. But then you want to take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $2 back, which is going to make your final net total for one pack of these razors just 49 cents. Over in my store's clearance section, I found something pretty good. I found this Clairol Root Touch-Up. It was on clearance for $2.29. These are normally about $7.99 each. In the Smart Source 320 inserts, we have a $2 off paper coupon that I'm going to use for this, which is going to leave me to pay just 29 cents out of pocket. Finally, I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta as I have a 10-cent any hair color rebate. So that's going to make my final net total for this just 19 cents. I'm working on a couple of Ibotta bonuses, so this was a great little find. If you're not currently signed up for Ibotta, I do have a link down in the description below where you can sign up. And when you do sign up using that link, you will unlock a $10 welcome bonus. When you head to the store, be sure to check your feminine care section. There were a ton of items on closeout in the regular aisles at my store. A lot of it was 30 to 40% off, even some up to 75% off. You can also pair these clearance prices with any digital or manufacturer coupons that you might have. So I want to go ahead and take a second and talk about the new mega event that started today. If you are new to couponing at Kroger or new to my channel, I want to talk really briefly about what the mega event is. The Kroger mega event is basically where Kroger offers savings on select items. The catch is not every item is included, and you have to buy at least, in this case, 6 or more participating mega event items. In this particular mega event, when you buy 6 or more participating items, you're going to save 50 cents on each one. Now, our usual mega event is when you buy 5, you're going to save $1. That's the one I actually prefer, but this is what they are giving us this time around. Now, I mentioned that not every item is included in the mega event, and you can distinguish which ones are by the price tags. As you can see, each participating item has a red box under it stating that when you buy 6 or more, you're going to get 50 cents off of each one. So remember, you must buy at least 6 participating items in order to score that 50 cent savings on each one. Also, y'all, you do not have to buy 6 of the same products. You can mix and match. And you do not have to buy in increments of 6. You can buy 10, you can buy 13, you can buy 100. It does not matter as long as you have a minimum of 6. For our next deal, let's grab 1 block of Sargento cheese for just 97 cents. And how we're going to do it is you're going to pick up 1 block. That's normally $4.29, but it is on sale for $2.49. In the Kroger app, you also want to clip the weekly digital deal, which is found in the regular coupon section. That's going to make this $1.97. You must clip that digital coupon in order to score this at $1.97. Enter your phone number at checkout and the appropriate savings will apply, leaving you to pay $1.97 out of pocket. But then I'm going to take my receipt and submit it to Fetch Rewards, where Fetch Rewards is offering me 1,000 points or $1 back for purchasing one of these. That's going to make my net total for this just 97 cents. Something to also know, y'all, is that sometimes Fetch Rewards offers do vary, so keep that in mind. If you're also not yet signed up for Fetch Rewards, I have a link down in the description below for it as well. And when you submit your first receipt, you're going to get some bonus points. All right, y'all, so this cookie popcorn Oreo flavor is normally $3.99, but it is on sale for $1.99. It is also part of the mega event, so when you buy 6 or more participating items, you're going to save an additional 50 cents on it. There was also a $1 off 1 digital coupon in the Kroger app that is attaching to this product, so your net total is either going to be 49 cents if you buy 6 or more participating mega event items, or it will be just 99 cents if you are not. So this Cracker Barrel mac and cheese, y'all, is normally $5, and it is on closeout 75% off for just $1.25. Now that is already awesome savings, but y'all, it gets even better. You're going to go ahead and just pay that $1.25 out of pocket, but submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, making your final net total for a box just 25 cents. The Ibotta Rebate also has a limit of 5, so you can pick up 5 in one single transaction and get $1 back for each one. So that's what I'm going to do because this is an awesome price. Definitely be sure to check your store's mac and cheese and hamburger helper aisle, as I found a ton of other items marked down. I'm going to share one last deal with y'all. Unfortunately, I was unable to do it as my store was out of stock, but you want to look for these red vines. They're normally $1.69, but they are on sale 2 for $3. Go ahead and pick one up for $1.50. You'll pay that out of pocket, but then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back, which is going to make your final net total for 1 pack of these just 75 cents. This is another great filler deal that you can do if you're working on any of those Ibotta bonuses. All right, y'all, let's recap this haul. So in store, I did 2 transactions, and don't kill me, but I lost one of my receipts. I did get to upload it to Fetch Rewards because it had the Sargento cheese on it, but now I can't find it. So sorry about that, but it did only have 2 items on it. It had the cheese and then it had the Oreo popcorn. So 2 pretty easy deals. I ended up paying a little under $3 at the register because we had the $1 come off the popcorn, which left it at 99 cents. And then it was a weekly digital deal for the Sargento. So that was $1.97 at the register. So again, a little under $3. And also keep in mind, y'all, if you are going with the mega event and you grab 6 items, that popcorn is included. So your net total would be 50 cents cheaper at checkout. Then as far as rebates go, we had nothing for the Oreo popcorn, but we did have the Fetch Rewards offer for 1,000 points back on the cheese. And at first it did not go through. I did have to correct my receipt, but like really just a few minutes later, they corrected it and I did get the 1,000 points for that, making my final net total for the Sargento cheese just 97 cents. Okay, for my second receipt, I have everything else. So at the top, I did the Snuggle. And as I mentioned, my store is a true BOGO. So it did ring up 1 at full price and 1 at 0. But we are still able to use those paper coupons on the one we paid full price for. And those are listed down here, those 2. And then we also have the Cracker Barrel mac and cheese. Those did ring up for $1.25. Let me see what else I had on here. Oh, just the Clairol hair color. So that did ring up the clearance price as well. And my $2 off coupon applied down below. So that left me to pay $10.62 out of pocket for all of those items. All right, for this receipt, the only rebate app we had to submit it to was Ibotta, where I got back the $1 for each one of the Cracker Barrel mac and cheese. And then I also got the 10 cents for the any brand hair color. So that gave me back a total of $5.10 for this receipt. Once I added up the retail price of everything that I purchased in this haul, it totaled about $56. And my final net total after all digital coupons, paper coupons, and rebates was just $7. That wraps up this week's Kroger haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.